Hello, hello. The bug I'm trying to resolve is pretty much summarized as trying to call a parent function from a child blueprint. So we've got the parent here, which is basically it's going to be a trebuchet. The idea is that you shoot these targets, which will spin the wheel. That's the parent element, and then in the parent we'll have a function which will like raise the arm, lower the arm, and do all of those elements to the other elements. So what I've currently got is this test function, which is literally just a print screen which says main trebuchet function was called. Great stuff. So if we go to event graph, and we'll put that test function here on the event tick and line that up and compile. Play that and see what happens. Sure enough, we should see a print screen. Yeah, there we go. So we know the function's working. Great stuff. Main function was called, so we'll close that. And we'll get rid of that because we don't need that here. Compile that. So I basically want to call that function from the child component. So what we've got currently going on here is on component hit, we will run these to again just print strings. I'll show you what's going on with that. So let's play again. Yeah, sorry for the mess. Lots of prototyping going on. Anyway, so if we shoot these targets, you'll see a print string which should say cylinder was hit, wheel was hit. So you'll see the different ones. Actually, if I move that over slightly, you should be able to see what's going on. So yeah, you'll see the print strings are coming up on the left, and on the right you'll see the different functions being called. So that all looks correct. Great stuff again. So let's close that. And then what I would do here is create a reference and then call that function from the parent's blueprint. So let's just delete that and I'll start this all again, and we'll just go right from the start and see what's happening. So create a new variable which we'll call test function reference ref. Great stuff. We'll make that public. And then here we're going to call that name there, which is Blueprint Trebuchet. It looks like it's correct already, but we'll go again to just see what's going on. Blueprint Trebuchet, there it is. It's an object reference. Great stuff. So that all looks correct to me. So we'll drag in that reference, get the reference, and then from here we're going to call that function, which is called test function, which seems to be appearing. So that all looks, again, that looks correct to me. Drag that all down here, and then on this print string we're going to call that function. All looking straightforward to me so far. So let's play that again and see what happens. So what we would expect to happen, let's move that over again, over to there please. What I would expect to see is the print string, getting two different print strings for that one target, for the cylinder target, I believe I put it on, but that doesn't seem to work. So you'll see that top one is getting called on the right. So it seems to be calling the function, but if you look in the actual game window, you'll see it saying cylinder hit, wheel hit. So it's not actually giving me that second print string from the test function. Although it does seem to be getting called. So let's close that, and on closing that I'm getting these errors, which is saying access none, trying to read property test function reference. So it seems like it can't read that reference, and I don't understand why. So let's just show that quickly. Test function graph. And that's basically the bug and where I'm getting stuck. So yeah, if anyone's got any suggestions, ideas to what's going on, that would be really, really helpful. Thanks.